Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace front bumper cover on Mercedes CLK W208 guys. This is the thing I'm talking about. Right here we have more than 100 videos on that model and many more to come on other Mercedes, other vehicles as well, so please subscribe and let's grow the channel together guys. So you need to jack the car up in the air, the front end, and we can start with the next step now. So we have the car in the air now. We're going to remove the front tire. Okay, perfect, like that. So this one is out of here now. Next thing that we'll need to do, we'll need to remove that plastic piece right here. Okay, so now with that trim removal tool, we're going to remove that clip here, okay, and those tend to get stuck. You need to pull the center piece out and then the whole clip. Next guys, we have a few 10mm nuts to remove. Okay, you will see now. One towards the back. Okay, plastic nuts right there. And we're supposed to have on the bottom two screws with another plastic like this one there. But we're missing it. Okay, so let's see if we can just pull it out enough. So I'm under the car now guys, and there is a hidden nut right here that we need to remove with a 10mm with a long extension. Okay, you can see what I'm talking about, it's right here. Okay, so this is a done deal now. You see, we can pull it towards the back. You don't need to remove the whole thing. If you want to, you can, but you won't need to. So, what we got done here on this side, guys, exactly identical thing should be on the driver's side, on the left side. However, ours is smashed, you know, we got it smashed, so here we have a little bit of a problem showing you, but again, I mean, it's identical. You need to remove the fender liner here underneath so you can reach towards the front of the bumper, and you'll see why. Also right here now, there is a bolt that we need to remove with a 10mm. Remember, the same thing on the left side. Okay, you can see all the rust that's been built up there. Okay, this is the bolt I'm talking about. It's loose now, right here. Oh guys, so now there is one bolt. Okay, hidden bolt right here, long bolt. Okay, check it out, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, this bolt right there. Okay, so we need to get it loose like that. Drop it down as much as you can. And remember, on this side you're supposed to have one more, but it doesn't have it because this one is broken. You have one bolt like that. Now with the 8mm, we're going to remove all those bolts holding the bumper here. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, so you think you're probably done, but you're not yet. We need to get a 13mm, and there is a hidden nut, okay, right there. You can see in front of the condenser by the headlight. 13mm nut like that, and there is one on this side as well. So you need to remove both of those. And I think once we do that, we should be able to pull it out. It's been a while since we removed one of those, but it's all the traditional bumper removal process. There is a few hidden things on that. And this one actually has a bigger washer, as you can see. That's what's supposed to look like. And this one was replaced by somebody in the past. 20-year-old vehicle, guys. And okay, and now we need to disconnect the wires, okay, for the park lights. You twist them like that, okay, and pull them out. We have the wire here for the fog light. Press down, pull the lid, okay, and now let's see how we're going to pull that thing out. Actually, I think we'll be able just to pull it out from here. And you disconnect, guys, those fog lights, okay. You need to spread those things up, okay, like that. Spread them out. You're going to pull out. Next we need to pull the wires. Remember which one goes where. Okay, and now we need to feed them through the hole here one by one. Somehow. We might need to remove that plastic piece too. And we just realized that the big plastic wire will not go through, so you can disconnect it actually right here. We'll still remove it like that so you can guys see it a little bit better. Okay, this one is stuck really good. I don't think it has been removed for a while. No. Okay, it came loose. So now we can just leave the wires here and later we can push them on. And we'll need to do the same thing to this side as well. We'll need to disconnect the park light here. Okay, and this one is even broken, as you can see, and disconnect the fog light. Okay, this fog light is disconnected now too. So that's how you guys remove or replace the front bumper cover on CLK. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.